So we're going to talk a little bit about how to name your ester. Right? Ester names are really a two-part name. And so you've got two chains usually coming off of the carboxylic ester. One on the oxygen side and one on the carbonyl side. All right? It's the way you name this is that the chain coming off the oxygen side is a substituent. All right? And this becomes the parent name. And the parent name is going to end in O8. O-A-T-E. All right? So if we look at this molecule, this is our substituent over here. So that is going to be a CH2CH3, which is an ethyl. So that's an ethyl substituent. And then over here, you count the number of carbons you have. 1, 2. You include the carbonyl on this. So again, if we have 2, it's an ethane, and you end in O8. So this is ethyl ethanoate. All right? And you're going to find that you're going to need to look at some common names. All right? So this is this is an IUPAC name, and that's legitimate. But you're going to see common names. And we see those with our carboxylic acids as well as our alcohols. So for example, take this, for example, we have actually two common names built into this. You have your acetic acid. So we can go away from ethanoate and go to acetate. So the common name would be acetate. All right. And then on the other side, that is isobutanol. So this becomes an isobutyl acetate. So what we're really seeing is two different ways that you can name an ester, but it's the same endpoint. You have the IUPAC name, as well as utilizing common names, but you put them together in the same way. The piece coming off the oxygen is the substituent, and then the parent chain is the one that contains the carbonyl, but you have to count all your carbons. Okay? So this is how you name esters, and this is what you're going to need to do coming in, knowing what ester you're going to be producing. Okay?